In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "My credit card has been declined" in ChatGPT. If your payment isn't going through, don't worry. In most cases, this issue is caused by incorrect billing details, bank security blocks, browser problems, or temporary payment service interruptions. We'll go through the most effective ways to troubleshoot it clearly and quickly. First, go to ChatGPT and carefully check your card information. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV or security code, cardholder name, and billing address are all entered exactly as they appear on your card and bank records. Even a small typo can trigger a decline, so take a moment to review everything closely. Once you've confirmed the details are correct, try the payment again. Next, verify that your card has enough available funds or credit to cover the subscription charge. If your balance is too low or your available credit is limited, the transaction may fail automatically. If everything looks correct and you still get declined, contact your bank. Sometimes banks block online payments for security or fraud prevention reasons. Ask them to confirm whether the transaction was declined, whether online or international transactions need approval, and whether there are any temporary restrictions on your card that should be removed. If the problem continues, try a different payment method. You can use another credit or debit card, or if available in your region, choose a different payment option offered during checkout. Then complete the purchase using that method. Also, double-check your billing address. The address you entered during checkout should match the one your bank has on file. Small differences, like abbreviations or missing apartment details, can sometimes cause a payment to be rejected. If you're subscribing through a web browser, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser. After that, sign back into your ChatGPT account and try the payment again. This can help if outdated session data is interfering with checkout. If it still doesn't work, try using a different browser or a different device. Sign into your account and attempt the payment one more time. Sometimes the issue is local to a specific browser, extension, or device setup. You should also consider temporary service issues. Payment processors can occasionally have short interruptions, so wait a few minutes and try again later. Another thing to check is whether your card is supported. Some prepaid cards, virtual cards, or region-restricted cards may not work for recurring subscriptions. If possible, use a standard credit or debit card that supports online recurring payments. If none of these steps solve the issue, sign into your ChatGPT account, open the help or support section, and contact